Hi everyone, welcome to P-Bolic Notes. Today is February 9, 2022, and welcome to our channel. Today I'll be talking about what's going on the last couple of days with the crypto market space. It's getting very interesting right now with one of the indicators that I follow regarding Bitcoin. And I'd like to share with you what I'm watching right now, because it looks like if Bitcoin gets to a certain level, we may see some of these altcoins such as Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, Cardano, and so forth pump. So obviously that's exciting. That's good for those who are longs, those who buy tokens for long term. And I'd like to share with you what I'm looking at right now. Before I get started, I just like to advise that I'm not a financial planner. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything that I'm showing here is on tokens that I personally do to trade cryptocurrencies. And please do your own research and also do your own verification with your own advisors before you take any actions on any of these ideas. Before I get started, let's just share with you my computer screen so that we'll see what I'm seeing. So the first thing I'd like to share with you is what's going on with the Bitcoin's weekly chart on TradingView. One of the key indicators that is an excellent indicator to look at to kind of get an idea about what's going on with Bitcoin and really the entire cryptocurrency space is this Bitcoin weekly chart to see how Bitcoin is doing versus the 20-week SMA and the 21-week EMA. So I learned this from a great technical analyst, Benjamin Cohen. I encourage you to follow his channel if you don't already follow it, because I really like what Ben says on sharing with his subscribers, and he always pays attention to this 20-week SMA and the 21-week EMA. Now, what happens is that when Bitcoin gets to this stage, and once Bitcoin is above those levels, so let's say over here, or let's say over here, which was a very long such period, right over here, during those levels is when you're going to see the altcoins such as Ethereum, such as Cardano, such as Solana, and so forth perform very well. So right now, since we are getting close to that that part of the actual chart, and I'll just remove these two lines right now, and I'll share with you what I mean. So right over here, if we look at what's going on right about here, okay, so if Bitcoin is able to really traverse this area, and this may happen anytime. This may happen anytime next couple of days or couple of weeks, maybe even within the next week. Then at that stage is when we may see these other altcoins pumping. So let's see if I look at Ethereum's price. Obviously, Ethereum already, if you look at this weekly chart for Ethereum, last couple of, last couple of periods, this has been Ethereum chart really. Let's say since November, it went down until late January, and now look what's going on. Let's see if I put this into a daily chart. So it looks like on a daily chart that Ethereum has already started doing pretty well since right over here. So at this stage, it was trading around $2,200 US, and right now today it's hovering above $3,000. So that's a significant pump already for Ethereum. If you look at what is done as far as, let's say, coin market cap on coin market cap, Ethereum's price in the last 7 days has gone up by 20%. Really? So that means that some of these traders that are watching this are already assuming that this may happen. That's why they're already getting kind of a head start on the rest of us in buying Ethereum before Bitcoin even crosses this 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA. So that's what I'm looking right now. And at the same time, let's say if I do the exact same chart with Solana, for example, then Solana as well, right? You see over here, it was at right over here, it was trading at around $88 US. Right now, it's got up to $113 US. So if you look at what Solana has done the last couple of days, I mean, really, it must be very similar to Ethereum, because what that means is that the last week, it's also basically pumped. Right, so basically now it's trading at $113. Meanwhile, a week ago, it was trading something in the range of $99. That's already a 50% pump. So that's why this is really exciting stuff, because And we haven't even crossed this level yet for the 20-week SMA and the 21-week EMA for Bitcoin. So I'm keeping a very close eye on this to see how this progresses in the next couple of days. And as soon as Bitcoin does cross that, that's when we'll basically pay very close attention. So personally, myself, I already hold Ethereum. I already hold Bitcoin. I'm not a holder of Solana as of date, but what I mean is that if Bitcoin does cross that period, the 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA, I'll probably pay. I'll probably look at adding more to my Ethereum position. This one is not a token that I also own, Avalanche, and Avalanche as of today, it's trading at around $90. And if we go back to January 24th, which was really 2 weeks ago, it was trading at around $60. So that's been a 50% increase in the Avalanche price really in the last couple of weeks. So this is really exciting stuff. So let's really pay attention to this, and let's see how things advance over here with Bitcoin's price as far as the 20-week SMA and a 21-week EMA, and that's going to be really coming to fruition sometime in the next week or two. So let's see if Bitcoin does do that, or if it is not able to pass those two moving averages. So thanks so much for watching, everyone, and let's do an update in the coming days with these indicators. Be well. Talk soon.